Hi, meet you again. Today we are going to learn Chapter 6.3 Tangents to Circles Part 2 with me, Teacher Erna. Our learning standard is to make and verify conjectures about the property related to two tangents to a circle. Look at the diagram. There is a quadrilateral ABOC. ABOC quadrilateral has a kite shape. That means they have a symmetrical shape. ABO is symmetry to OCA. I repeat, ABO is symmetry to OCA. If two tangents to a circle with center O and points of tangency B and C meet at point A, then we say that BA is equal to CA. Angle BOA, that is X, is equal to angle COA. Angle OAB is equal to OAC. Look at example 16. The diagram on the right shows a circle centered at O. Tangents PQ and RQ meet at point Q. Calculate the value of X, the value of Y, the radius of circle. Solution A. See the right angle triangle OPQ and O angle OPQ is 90 degree. Thus, X plus 66 degree is 90 degree. X is equal to 24 degree. How about the length PQ and QR? What are their relationship? PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. Therefore, Y is equal to 14. Now, let's find the radius of the circle. You are asked to find the radius of the circle. You may use the formula of tangent. X is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite of angle X is the radius, whereas adjacent of X is 14. Therefore, we may write as tangent 24 degree is equivalent to OP, the opposite, over PQ, the adjacent, 14. Therefore, the radius OP is equivalent to 6.233 centimeter. This is how it works. See the working. This is a right-angled triangle. The angle here is equal to this angle 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees minus 66. After that, you may relate the angle and the side of the quadrilateral to find the value of r. Therefore, r is 14 tangent 24 degree. Can you find out? Mind test 6.3c. The diagram below shows a circle of radius 5 cm. The radius is 5 cm. Centered at O. Given that PQ, and PR are tangents to the circle, and angle QSR is 60. Calculate the value of X, the value of Y, the length of PQ, and the length of OP. See the given information. You are given angle 60. You may relate it, the angle at the circumference and the angle at the center. Angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference, meaning that angle QOR is 120. If you divide this angle 120 into 2, you may get the value of X. What is the value of X? Now, find the value of Y. See that OQP is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle meaning that the angle here is 90 degrees. Since that X is 60, therefore the angle Y is 30. Or in other words, 60 divided by 2, you may get 30. In the diagram on the right, O is the center of circle with radius 3 cm, and ROS is a straight line. Given that angle ORP is equal to 25 degrees and PS is a tangent to the circle, calculate the value of X, the length of PS, and the length of RS. I repeat, find the value of X, find the length of PS, and the length of RS. Look at the diagram. See that ROP is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OPR is also 25. This will make up the angle POS is 50. If POS is 50, therefore X is 40.